As I geared up to film a video, I accidentally ran over my DJI cage. So naturally, I did some online research to find an alternative. Not really. I reached out to TELESIN to see if they could send me their version in exchange for a review, and here we are. Spectacular! So the product is very simple. The main use case is to toggle between horizontal and vertical shooting quickly. And of course, this case acts as another layer of protection. However, TELESIN has a lot of improvements over the DJI one, which are easier disassembly and easier access to both the battery and the USB-C slot. 1/4-inch screw for vertical mounts. And on top of that, it has this cold shoe. Just make sure if you're using a wind muff, it doesn't come in frame. As well as lights. I would definitely use it for lights. And the one thing this case has, which the DJI doesn't, is a handsome discount. Use coupon code HANDSOME for 15% off at TELESIN's website. To conclude, I would definitely recommend TELESIN's ultralight cage for the DJI Osmo Action. It has everything you need in a cage and more. If this video helped you out, please leave a comment or subscribe or even like the video. Anything you do supports me. Thank you and